Does AI make us smarter or dependable?
I think it depends on us. We should use AI as an assistant and not our brain. If we use AI for all our tasks, we will not be able to think for ourselves.
Because I think we need balance in every single thing, and if we only use ChatGPT, then it will just look as if it is an unemotional soul. Welcome back, guys, to another exciting episode by Conscious of Maya. So, guess what? Today, who do we have? Yash Goel. Hi, another modernite. So, Yash, from our previous meeting, I learned so much about it. Do you have something to say about AI?
Firstly, Myra, thank you for having me here. And I'm very fascinated by how technology, especially AI, is changing our lives. We are using it for our day-to-day tasks and our work.
So, Yash, I have a question for you, which is that does AI make us smarter or dependable?
I think it depends on us. Uh, if we should use AI as an assistant and not our brain. If we use AI for all our tasks, we will not be able to think for ourselves. A recent example of mine is I prepared for a debate. I used ChatGPT, many other AI tools for it, but I also had to put my brain into it.
So cool. I mean, I can relate to it too as well, because I think we need balance in every single thing, and if we only use ChatGPT, then it will just look as if it is an unemotional soul. So, do you have any facts or myths to share?
A myth is that only smart people use AI. The ones who use AI are smart. And a fact can be that smart are those who know the balance between when to use AI and when to not.
And what about a cool, fun fact?
A fun fact can be I asked AI to decide toppings for my pizza and it replied to me in binary language like 1001.
Um, then, do you have anything to share us with what we should do and should not do, like the do's and don'ts?
Do's can be use AI as an assistant and uh, and as an external part of yourself and not make it an internal part such as brain. And some don'ts can be that don't completely rely on AI and find a balance between AI and yourself to complete tasks.
That's such a wonderful line. I completely relate with it. So let's keep it up with the Keijo vibes, the rapid fire. So Yash, are you like more productive with AI?
100% I'm more productive with AI.
Yeah, because it's make your life
It smoothens my life.
smooth. Then AI or a calculator for the maths homework?
Calculator because it's much more handy and it's much more, we have used it much more than AI.
Think about it. I think it makes sense. Then would you let AI to like write an exam for you?
Not at all. I like my personalized answers in an exam.
Then one task you would wish AI that it could do?
Clean my room or do my daily homework, anything.
Guilty as charged. Me too. Then worst dependency we have on tech.
Worst dependency we have on tech. To check our essays, for research work, anything which requires time.
Time, right?
Anything which requires a heavy amount of time.
I would say autocorrect. It's like whenever I try to write anything to my friends in Hindi, it just comes in English with a lot like different thing, and I'm like,
A different meaning.
okay, why not? Then I'm like, have you ever argued with an AI?
I have, but it didn't listen to me. Not at all.
So, Yash, I'm so grateful to have you again. And this time it wasn't just interactive, but I think it was very cool. It was very Gen Z type. So Yash, do you have any message or a quote or anything you want to share with the Gen Zs or with me, of course?
At the end, I would just like to say that don't be afraid of AI. Use AI as your assistant. Anything which helps to improve your work. And remember that humans have made AI, and AI has not made humans.
I think we all are clapping. So let's clap for the audience as well, which we have today. So, with this wonderful thing you said, I think, Yash, I don't have a watch, so what's the time right now? I think it's time for Gannu to say bye. Bye!